Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to hide your email address on Facebook. Keeping your email private is an essential step to safeguard your personal information. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the 3 horizontal lines. This will open the menu. Next, scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on it and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings section, locate Accounts Center and tap on it. Under Accounts Center, you'll find an option labeled Personal Details. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, select Contact Info, and you'll see your email address listed there. Tap on your email address to proceed. At this point, choose the Facebook account linked to that email. Once selected, you'll see an option to change visibility on Facebook. Tap on it. Finally, select Only Me as your visibility preference. This ensures that no one else can view your email address on your Facebook profile. And that's it. You've successfully hidden your email address on Facebook. By following these steps, you've taken a significant step toward enhancing your online privacy. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to share this guide with anyone who might find it helpful.